Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Ocean, an ocean of knowledge. Today we will learn English grammar and our topic is countable and uncountable nouns. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Now I will show you certain things or objects. See, these are biscuits. These are colorful chalks. And these are onions. Now see children, we can count biscuits. The number of biscuits in this plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 biscuits in this plate. The things which you can count are called countable nouns. They can be in singular form or plural form. Singular means one and plural means more than one, that is many. In the same way, we can count even these chalks also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 colorful chalks. In the same way, we can count these onions also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 onions in this plate. So the things which we can count are called countable nouns. They are in singular or plural forms. Now I will show you some more things. Sugar. A glass of milk. And a jam bottle. Now, can you count the sugar? No, we cannot count. So, we use certain words like little before the noun. For example, put little sugar in my coffee. In the same way, for milk also, we use words like some or more. For example, Mummy, give me some milk. In the same way, for jam, we use the word like much. For example, how much jam should I spread on your bread? So these are certain quantitative words or measurable words which we use before these nouns, before the uncountable nouns. That is why the words or the things which cannot be counted, they are called uncountable nouns. So, countable nouns can be counted. They are in singular or plural forms. And uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We use measure or counter words before it. For example, little, some, much, etc. before the uncountable nouns. Now you understood children what is countable and uncountable nouns? There are so many things in our environment. Now an activity for you. Make a list of 5 countable nouns and 5 uncountable nouns and write it in my comment box. Thank you.